Last rep of the day, it's locked.
Stand low and light, stand low and light.
Wake up. I'll be right with you.
Let's get up that long, let's go, hurry up! I've seen poodles do this! I bet if there were a bacon strip at the top of that, you'd get it, wouldn't you? Let's go, hurry up! You're from a kennel, right? Only two things come from kennels, hogs and dogs. Which one are you? Hurry up, let's go, move faster! Go faster, let's go! Are you finally looking good? How does it feel? Well, hurry up, keep going, stop slowing down. I didn't say stop, keep pulling, let's go.
First platoon, attention. Are you motivated?
Motivated! If you say motivated, hell yeah, I'm motivated! Motivated, dedicated, hardcore, sir! What are you doing, Charlie? Get out of bed! Can't be this bunk, Charlie. What are you doing? You've got to get in shape. You've got a River Dogs baseball game August 23rd. The Citadel's coming. You've got to be there. Let's go, let's go, let's go!